This is a Ryu in the morning. They offer water aerobics. How fun, right? They have activities like Zumba, different stuff all week long. So we're here at the Ryu Palace. Right over there is check-in. There's more seating areas. So this is our 24-hour lounge. It's open 24 hours, and it's the name. Oh, it's nice and cool in here, you guys. Let me show you. Sorry about the flip-flops. A lot of seating in here. So this is open 24 hours, so you get, they change it up too. Chili, hamburger, hot dogs, and onions, and chicken burrito, as well as the buns are on top. Hamburger buns, hot dog buns, bread. You have your pastries, your fruit, oh my goodness, that's a pear. I think I'm gonna eat one. If you go over here, you have your cereals. There's some queso and chips. Dessert. And then they also have sandwiches. And then if you go over here, you have your sodas. You have your juices. You have Tecate beer or Dos Equis. This I come and get every morning. I get a cappuccino with a double espresso. Oh yeah, good way to start the day. And they also have the sugars, cream, there's tea. And they also have all this alcohol that's in your room if you get in here. Right down here is your creamers, mustard, mayo, champagne wine, more wine, and a microwave. So this is pretty cool. ATM. And if you needed any office work, if you needed to do work, here you go. So this is all in the 24-hour lounge. Got our coffee. I'm gonna have a little bit of chips and guacamole. And
I got myself a little mini sandwich.
A little mini sandwich, ham and cheese.
You know, it's nice.
Look at Dave. Do you feel bad?
Does anybody feel bad? I don't.
No, I feel bad because I'm looking at you.
Yeah, it's okay. It looks like they got out of the hospital too with their band.
But we fell. Or he fell last night.
That's why I don't dance.
That's okay. So if anything happens, it's $30 for that wrap. The doctor came to our room. Dave's okay.
$100.
$100 for the doctor visit. $30 for the wrap.
They came to the hotel room, so that's the greatest thing. But make sure you be specific, because we told them I had pains in my arm because I fell, but they heard pain in the arm. Oh my God, a heart attack. So they rushed right in. Thank God it was, just this. No.
Did you put mayo and mustard?
I didn't see that.
That's in the refrigerator.
So if you want mayo and mustard, it's in the refrigerator.
This is the courtyard, right in the middle. So you have rooms on your left. Those are ocean view rooms. And rooms on your right. Oh my God. I looked at the right side and said, rooms on your left. And you guys have to be really careful. These might be beautiful, but
After too many cervezas,
they're filled with...
Leave that in.
So we're walking towards the theater. They have nightly entertainment.
Which is typically now, because this is the adult resort, so therefore a lot of partying going on.
A lot. And we just met somebody that we met last night, and they went to bed at 9 o'clock too, like we did. Well, no, we woke up at 9 o'clock to get food.
And for whatever reason, our phone is off by an hour, meaning like...
We're back in California time.
Yeah, we miss our flight.
So
the person
be careful about that.
His hours were correct on his phone.
But he's from the East Coast, right?
Yeah, so I don't know. So be sure to check your phone.
Because we are Baja California.
Especially if you have any type of plans, especially leaving plans. You don't want to be late for that.
Or excursions or what have you. So we didn't have dinner last night. This is the bar right here, Gold Bar. And they have daily and nightly entertainment right here at the theater. There's a cappuccino stand over there. There's also another bar right behind that. So it's nice and quiet. That's why I got up early just for you guys. Show you what the beach looks like. Show you the resort. And to your right is the gym.
Only see in our videos, you'll never see us actually here.
I don't know, go lift some weights, Dave.
What is that?
You know, it's little, but it suffices, right, for what you need? Oh, you want to do the rope thing? What is this?
That's a pull down exercise.
All right, here's what the gym looks like, you guys.
It's actually not bad.
This is kind of nice. Look at your view.
It's a pretty up-to-date gym. What scared me though is that over there, I thought it was a countdown. That means you'll never actually see us in there.
So, yeah, I'm going to show you what the beach looks like today. We've been off limits for a while, so. Stairs, downstairs, this is where all the food is.
And the best part is by the pool.
Oh, the best bar is by the pool. There's 4 pools, 2 swim-up bars. So if you go to the right, you're gonna hit Guacamole's, which is a steak bar. And then to the left, where we do this. Oh my goodness. So here's the stairs we took down. And the buffet, Promenade Buffet, is right over here. Hola! And right across from the buffet is Pepe's Food and our favorite bar. I should say. There's 5 a la carte restaurants. We showed you guacamole. On the other side of guacamole's is Crystal's. It's a fusion restaurant. And then the other 3 that are here is Japanese, Italian, and Indian food. Reuse Santa Fe, they're closed right now for renovations.
So when you check in, be sure you don't get this side of the hotel.
Yeah, get the quiet side.
You'll be very disappointed. We've had some people that actually had to go back downstairs and complain.
This is a Japanese restaurant right here. Right next to the Japanese restaurant is Sophia, which is an Italian restaurant. This is like buffet slash sit down. Because remember last night they gave you different pastas?
Really good pizza. And again, be sure that your clock is
set.
You'll be very disappointed if you come down here an hour.
And right here next to Sophia is Taj Mahal. Yes. Let's go check out their menu. And here is their menu. QR code in case you want to check it out yourself. Here's the other pool with a swim-up bar. How are you? Hi, guys. Oh, the food looks beautiful. Chicken nuggets, cheese, hot dogs. Those ribs are delicious. Mozzarella cheese sticks and french fries. There's salsa, tons of guacamole, pickles, pico, And all your sides for your hamburger and hot dogs. I'll show you what the beach looks like. And you can chill right there and have a nice view of the beach. I'm gonna steal some sugar. Trying to open it. What a beautiful bird.